Hey guys, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. I'm Atish Ranjan, and today I'm going to talk about a problem that I faced while accessing hidden files in the file manager of Bluehost web hosting. Yes, actually, I had to add some code in the htaccess file of a website. So I tried to find the htaccess file in cPanel in the file manager of cPanel, but sadly I was not able to see that. Even I have selected the option to show the hidden files. It did not show up. So I tried to find the solution on Google, and finally I found a solution. Uh, but the option that Bluehost gives you to see the hidden files, that is not working actually. So let me show you the solution. So first of all, let's see the whole problem and then I'll share the solution. So first of all, go to bluehost.com, log in with your credentials, then you will be directed to this page. This is the dashboard of your Bluehost web hosting account. Click on cPanel, then go to file manager. Here's the file manager. Click on this, and here click on this one and select the website like this one, or any website that you want or that you need. And since I have to access the htaccess file, I have to click on this show hidden files, because htaccess file is by default a hidden file, and in the file manager every file or folder that starts with a dot is a hidden file by default. So I have clicked this one to show hidden files. So basically, when when you select this option, you should see all the files along with the hidden files as well. So click on this and see what it shows. So let's wait for the files to get loaded here. Okay, so the files are loaded here for this website, Brilliant Tips. So as I said, the hidden files start with a dot in file manager. So but you cannot see any hidden file or folder here. Even we have selected the option to show the hidden files. So this is the problem that you have to fix, because when you want to access htaccess file, how you will find it here, because the option is not actually working. So I tried to find the solution on Google and finally got it. And the solution is, there is some queries, this one, and show hidden equal to 1, the value is 1, then and save option equal to 1. Just copy this one and go to the address bar of this page, and at the end paste this query. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so you can see that you are now able to see the hidden files, htaccess file and this folder and other hidden files as well. So this is the fix of the problem when you are not able to find the hidden files, htaccess or any other hidden files. So this is very important because htaccess is always hidden in the cPanel. So if you are not able to find it, that will be problematic for you. So, and if you are, and especially if you are Bluehost user, you will be facing this issue, and for that this fix will work well. So just remember this query. You can keep it safe somewhere on your computer or in the emails or anywhere, and your problem will be fixed when you apply this method. So if you like this video, please like this and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the next new videos we add. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.